So in this video, we're going to cover another useful extension called Remove Lonely Vertices, and that is found in the Fredo Tools plugin that we've already downloaded. If you remember through Paint, it's right up through here. It's called Remove Lonely Vertices. Again, if you haven't downloaded that, I think you can find that on the extension store. And just type in Fredo Tools and you should be able to come right up to it. Let me just kind of open it up here. Fredo Tools. Yep, and this is the one that you want to download for that extension. So what we're going to do here is show you when we want to start push-pulling these buildings up to, get this into a 3D model. Here's what happens when you do that. So we're going to go ahead and click on our first building, and we're going to push pull this model up. Oops, right about to this point. And I'm going to do a couple more of them. We'll just do this one here. And I don't know, maybe we'll just do this one here. I don't know if this one will show anything, but so what you're seeing is on this model, you see anywhere where those lines intersected, we're getting these vertical lines that are going to be on our building. And usually what you end up doing is just getting in here, grab your eraser tool and just erase everything. But sometimes you'll have a lot of lines depending on how many connections are coming through. So there is a quick and easy way to remove all of those. And I'll show you that with that Remove Lonely Vertices button. But in the meantime, I'm going to just go ahead and undo all of this so we can get back to square one. Okay, so click out of here, and what you're going to do is go ahead and select everything. And then if we come to the Fredo toolbar and select Remove Lonely Vertices, it says action for 132 lonely vertices. Just go ahead and hit remove. So we'll hit OK. It'll take a second. It should be good. So now if we get in here and we go ahead and push pull, all those lines are going to be gone right off the bat. So we'll see it on this one a little bit more clearly. If you remember where those steps kind of came and met, those were where all those lines were coming up vertically. So that's a quick and easy way to just kind of clear things up with your model. And that works for, these are all grouped items if you remember. But that works obviously if nothing's grouped as well too. So definitely a useful tool. I definitely recommend using it.